Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove an expired self-signed certificate in Salesforce. If you've been working with Salesforce for a while, you know that managing certificates is crucial for maintaining secure integrations and connections. When certificates expire, they can cause authentication issues and disrupt your workflows, so it's important to clean them up. Let's walk through the simple process of removing an expired certificate from your Salesforce environment. First, you'll need to access your Salesforce setup area. Look to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the gear icon. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This takes you to the administrative hub of your Salesforce instance, where you can manage all your organization's settings and configurations. Once you're in the setup area, you'll notice a quick find box on the left side of your screen. This search feature is incredibly useful for navigating Salesforce's extensive settings without having to dig through multiple menus. Go ahead and type certificate into this quick find box. As you type, you'll see matching options appear below. Select certificate and key management from the results. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all the digital certificates and keys associated with your Salesforce org, whether they're used for single sign-on, API integrations, or other secure connections. Now you're in the certificate and key management page, where you'll see a list of all certificates currently stored in your Salesforce environment. Browse through this list to locate the expired self-signed certificate you want to remove. You'll typically be able to identify expired certificates by looking at their expiration dates displayed in the list. Once you've found the certificate that needs to be removed, look for the Del button or Delete option next to that specific certificate and click on it. This action initiates the deletion process. After clicking Del, Salesforce will display a pop-up dialog asking you to confirm the deletion. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental removal of important certificates. Take a moment to verify that you're deleting the correct certificate, then go ahead and confirm the deletion in this pop-up dialog by clicking the appropriate confirmation button. And that's it. You've successfully removed the expired self-signed certificate from your Salesforce organization. By keeping your certificate management clean and up to date, you ensure that your Salesforce environment runs smoothly without any authentication hiccups caused by expired credentials. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.